Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of steam cleaning with the Wagner Spraytech C900054 905e AutoRight Multi-Purpose Steam Cleaner. Now, before we get started, I want to make one thing clear. This isn't just any ordinary steam cleaner. This right here is the best steam cleaner for engines available in the market. Whether you're a car enthusiast looking to keep your engine bay spotless or a professional detailer tackling tough grease and grime, the Wagner Spraytech 905e has got you covered. So, what sets this steam cleaner apart from the rest? Well, let me break it down for you. First off, it harnesses the power of pressurized, high-temperature steam to loosen and dissolve dirt, cut grease, and grime, and disinfect surfaces without the need for harsh chemicals. Talk about eco-friendly cleaning at its finest. But wait, there's more. The Wagner 905e comes equipped with 12 accessories, allowing you to tackle a wide range of cleaning tasks with ease. From upholstery and carpets to dashboards and windows, there's nothing this steam cleaner can't handle. There you have it, folks. The Wagner Spraytech C900054 905e AutoRight Multi-Purpose Steam Cleaner, the best steam cleaner for engines and so much more. If you're ready to take your cleaning game to the next level, look no further. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy cleaning.